In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. If you've been working on a spreadsheet and suddenly noticed that your scroll bars have vanished, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether it's the horizontal or the vertical scroll bar that's disappeared, we'll walk through the simple steps to get them back. First, open up your Microsoft Excel file that's giving you trouble. Once you've got it open, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the window. You're going to want to click on the File tab. You'll find that it's usually located on the far left. This tab is your gateway to a world of settings and options that can help tweak Excel to suit your preferences. After clicking on File, a menu will appear on the left side. Now scroll down towards the bottom of this menu and click on Options. You're likely to find this as the last item in the list. Selecting this will open up the Excel Options dialog box, which contains all sorts of settings for you to adjust. Once inside the Excel options, you'll notice several categories listed on the left-hand side. Here you need to click on the Advanced category. This section houses a range of more detailed settings that go beyond the basics. So go ahead and click on Advanced to uncover those settings. Now that you're in the Advanced settings, scroll through the options displayed on the right. You're looking for a section titled Display Options for this workbook, and this is the area where you'll find the controls for your scroll bars. It may require a little scrolling, but it's not too far down. Within this section, you'll see options specifically for showing or hiding the scroll bars in your workbook. Make sure that both the options Show Horizontal Scroll Bar and Show Vertical Scroll Bar are checked. If either is unchecked, simply click on them to ensure both boxes are ticked. These checkboxes control whether your scroll bars appear or not, so it's important that both are enabled to avoid any issues. Once both options are correctly checked, you'll want to finalize your changes by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the window. This confirms your settings and returns you to your spreadsheet, hopefully now with your scroll bars intact and visible once more. And there you have it. Following these steps should help you recover those elusive scroll bars in Excel. Remember, these settings can sometimes be accidentally changed or reset, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps if needed in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.